Hey guys, today we're going to make some beautiful Banoffee Pie chia pudding. I've got all my ingredients ready to put in, and we're going to make such a beautiful breakfast that you won't ever want to have anything else for breakfast because it's that good. So first off, we're going to get our coconut milk and we're going to put it in our bowl. You can use whatever milk you want, whatever you prefer. I like coconut milk because it's nice and creamy and a bit tropical. After that, I'm going to get my beautiful chia seeds and we're going to put those in with the milk. I'm going to get beautiful nutmeg, cinnamon and a pinch of salt. Salt just makes the flavour pop. So we'll put that in. Next, we're going to put some vanilla essence into our beautiful breakfast. And then the recipe says 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, but I did 2 because I like it a bit sweeter. And lastly, some amazing maple syrup. Look at this. Tasty. So once you put all your ingredients in a bowl, you just simply stir it up. Stir, stir, stir. And then you pop it in the fridge overnight. You let it go nice and thick. And then in the morning you do something special with it, and I'll go get the one that we already made last night and I'll show you what to do with it. So here's our chia pudding that we had done last night, and it's already in its cup and it's nice and thick. I'm going to put that in a more beautiful cup and we'll make it look pretty. So I'm going to take my chia filling and I'm going to put it in the bottom of this awesome cup. Then I'm going to fill it with some yummy stuff to make it taste like a banoffee pie. So what I've got is I've got some whipped coconut cream. All you need to do with that is get a coconut can, put it in the fridge the night before, tip it upside down, and then in the morning it's nice and thick. Don't use any of the watery stuff. You just use the nice cream, and you can whip that up with a whisk, or you can use a Thermomix or a blender. So that's how I've got some walnuts. I've got some date syrup, and I've got some beautiful banana. So I'm going to start with the banana first. I'm just going to simply cut that into slices. See how that looks. We'll take our banana, put it on top. Doesn't matter how it looks because it tastes yummy. It's a bit hard to put it in this cup. Then we're going to get our beautiful coconut cream. Nice and whipped, look at that. Put that on top. Just do some walnuts. And then some beautiful date syrup. And then some date syrup. So you've got a beautiful breakfast. Tastes amazing. Looks amazing. Banoffee pie. No baddies in there. And I think it's a 10 out of 10. Yummy. You should try it at home.